I welcome you and to say few words as to about today's program, of course, and your relationship with the department, and what are the other professional opportunities which chartered accountant can look at. Should they limit only to the audit or accounts, or is there any other opportunities? Please go ahead.
Respected as graced by Honorable our own C. Ramesh Prabhu sir, DDR1 Shri Nitin Kale sir, Deputy Registrar Mr. Lavekar, our own Senior Chartered Accountant C.A. Vimal Punamia, my council, maybe previous council colleague Shardul Bhai, who spoke so wonderfully today on cooperatives and the opportunities. I think I should thank you, Shardul Bhai, for giving a food for the thought of each and every chartered accountant and igniting each and every chartered accountant who must be thinking sitting here that अरे cooperatives है तो क्या ही है ना? Cooperative means what we can say, whenever we say cooperatives, some negative thing comes into our mind, right? But as everybody is talking about, as Ramesh Prabhu sir is talking about, he's sharing his vision. He's also contesting as a central council member. So he has some vision for the chartered accountants to bring more and more opportunities in this field, or the RERA where his master, you can say, the Gautam Chatterjee sir also spoke so much on the initiatives that these people are taking care of. So I think as a chartered accountant, we are not supposed to think this field. We should not be ignoring this field, because since 9 years I'm working in WIRC, and I do personally feel that yes, we people are ignoring this field. Because before starting the session, some senior, he said why we want a panel as far as the audits are concerned in the cooperatives. So as a chartered accountant, my mind is always thinking and talking about audit and taxation. So that mindset needs to be breached, it needs to be broken. We need to come out of that comfort zone, because this audit and taxation is my domain field. इसपे कोई नहीं आ सकता है, लोग आ रहे हैं, but this remains your domain field. So there are n number of things, n number of statutes where you can do audits, but cooperative per se, because each one is saying in a housing society, we are talking more on housing, because in Mumbai, we are concerned more about the housing. So even if you take housing only as the professional opportunity, everybody is staying in housing where your name ends with the limited word. So your society, where you are staying, is also a corporate body, isn't it? You are a shareholder, yes or no?
Yes.
Right? So you are a shareholder of a housing society. It's also a corporate body. Only thing is, by virtue of section 36 of MCS Act, it says Companies Act will not be applicable. That means whatever you are doing in a company, that means if you get one client as a company client, अपने को कितना अच्छा लगता है, देखो सबके faces कितने, that smile automatically comes when you have a corporate client in your portfolio. So you need to think similarly on the lines of corporate clients, because whatever compliances are there, or whatever work you do for the corporates, like the first work I will be doing right from the formation, right? Someone comes to your chamber saying that I want to float a company, and then your calculation starts. कि मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, अभी मेरे पास स्टैट ऑडिट आएगा, टैक्स ऑडिट आएगा, जीएसटी आएगा, इनकम टैक्स आएगा, फंडिंग आएगा, प्रोजेक्ट लोन रिपोर्ट उसका काम आएगा. So all these things, all compliances on the MCS portal or whatever portals, so all these things are there in cooperatives also. It is mentioned in the MCS Act, and in fact this sector is ignored by us, and why we get a negative feel of this sector is because I personally feel that there is a disconnect between the cooperatives and the chartered accountants. You agree? Because we are not there actively involved in this field. And when I say you need to involve actively in this field, doesn't mean because statutory audit hai to chartered accountant has to be there, income tax hai to you have to be there, GST hai to you have to be there. But what is the missing link is the advisory and consultancy services, right? So your role as a chartered accountant, as advisor, as consultant is highly needed in this field. And as everybody is giving you the statistics, there are 50 plus types of societies in Maharashtra, 50 plus. We just know the housing, right? But there are credit societies, there are banks, there are sugar factories, there are milk union, dairies, there are supermarkets, DMarts, Apna Bazaar, consumer cooperative societies, forest societies, labor societies, and number of societies. So you have the arena of work is not only limited to the housing societies, and even if you limit yourself to the housing societies, the number count was given by our own DDR Saab that it is 40,000 plus societies only in Mumbai, isn't it? So there are work like audit, taxation, GST, society formation. Then you have, again after society formation, some few societies want to amalgamate, some societies want to bifurcate the way you have in companies, right? So that kind of work is there. Litigation work is there. 101 recovery, everybody knows, right? So 154B29. If I talk about the housing, you have big opportunity like conveyance, inconveyance. You have big opportunity and big area for the redevelopment, which is a dream of Prabhu Saab also over the years. So it's like, and then internal audits and so many things. So even if you are not there on the panel, sir, I think you raised the question about the panel. So even if you are not there on the panel, still you can do the internal audits of the societies. You can do concurrent audits of the bank. You can do system audits. That system audit is also mandatory for the cooperative banks. Department is thinking of bringing system audits even for the credit societies or Pat Sanstha. Right? So there are n number of things you can use your DISA qualification there also. So there is no limit as far as this sector is concerned, because I am also into this sector for last 20-25 years. I am also into housing, and yes, I mean this is a niche area. I would say there is no much competition as of now, but I personally feel more the merrier. So we want our chartered accountants to come in this field, and because remuneration you can't say, because if this person, he has set his empire, अगर ये बंदा 25-30 साल सिर्फ हाउसिंग पे एक एम्पायर क्रिएट कर सकता है, तो हम लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं? ऐसे नहीं लगता है आपको? आई मीन व्हेन गौतम चैटर्जी सर वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट हिज इनिशिएटिव एंड ही सेड किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो पूछो. I was expecting my chartered accountants that some positive things, or he will be questioned how you will do this, what kind of opportunities for the chartered accountants, how you dream it, what will be the role of the chartered accountants. I mean, whenever now I will take 2 minutes just to talk on that, because थोड़ा सा मुझे दर्द हुआ when the question was raised or someone talked about the disciplinary committee. So whenever अपने बंदे, भाई हम लोग हमारे लोग हैं ना चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स, एक दूसरे के साथ हमको यूनिटी भी तो थोड़ा दिखाना है. हमको ये पॉजिटिव माइंड से जाना है कि क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज वो क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, क्या रोल रहेगा. फिर उसके बाद में वो काम मिलने के बाद में अगर किसी ने कुछ वो एथिकली नहीं किया, अनएथिकली नहीं किया, तो इंस्टीट्यूट बैठा है, and then things will take shape. So whenever I think guests are coming, we should show, because I'm an advocate also, I'm practicing as an advocate for last 3 years, right? I've surrendered my COP, so I'm seeing both the sides. I know both the professions now. The kind of unity the advocates have, we are lacking on that. So जाते थोड़ा सा ये भी बोलना चाहती हूँ, we need to have that unity also, at least, because हमारे घर में जब झगड़ा होता है, तीसरा कोई आता है, तो भले ही सास बहू में झगड़ा हुआ है, बेटा और पापा में झगड़ा हुआ है, जब कोई तीसरा मेहमान आता है तो हम लोग क्या प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं, सब ठीक है भाई हमारे में, आप कौन है बोलने वाले, So that kind of attitude we all should have. And with this I'll stop. And thank you, Prabhu sir, for giving this opportunity. Thanks.
Thank you. I think she has enlightened us as to there are enough opportunities. Only thing we need to look at those opportunities. We should encash those opportunities. And since RERA came in, I don't know how many of you are aware, we have created about 400 leaders. What do you mean by 400 leaders? We have taken those people for 2 or 3 days residential thing, and we could brainstorm these people, and we could make across India 400 leaders. The reason of making 400 leaders is that the RERA has given enough opportunity to chartered accountant. Now my dream, as she was asking me, yes, now we want to make cooperative leaders. In the chartered accountants, we want to create that cooperative leaders where hardly in every state you will find 2 or 3 or 5 people. Because even department is always asking me, Professor, आप ही अकेले CEO? नहीं है, शिल्पा मैडम है, ये है, वो है. फिर हर एक district may you'll find about 10 to 12 chartered accountants who are more into cooperative audits, but not into formation of a society, formation of multi-state cooperative society, amalgamation, other things. So there are enough opportunities. We'll look into all those opportunities, and one of the opportunities in for chartered accountant which is close to you and me is income tax.